Presenting the 2018 Kia Optima. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 0-liter cylinder engine, 245 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth and clock-in radio display. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.